Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 851, and today's topic is the use of organic solution culture, or commonly we call it liquid organic fertilizer, for the treatment of seed and also for fowl order, especially unhygienic condition in our houses, indoor toilet, and even in a rural area. So this culture means liquid organic fertilizer is very important, and it has been reported recently that once the seeds are treated with this organic solution culture, first thing is that the germination time is reduced. For example, if some seed takes 5 to 6 days to get it germinated, by treatment with this organic solution culture, the time is almost reduced 50%, means it will take 3 to 4 days. Secondly, in India they have reported that by the treatment of this seed with liquid organic fertilizer, the 98% germination is there. So it can protect you from toxic germs, microorganisms, and some other biological stress load like osmotic pressure, some salt pressure. That is very encouraging. And also by the treatment of seed with this solution, the farmers are not going to spend lot of money and for synthetic chemicals which are available to treat the seeds for good germination. Sometimes they add pollution or toxicity. So this organic solution culture or organic liquid fertilizer, first thing is very safe, and second, it is very cheap. We can convert hundreds of thousands of tons of waste material into liquid fertilizer, into manure. So this is also one of the advantages. And also we can replace some insecticide, pesticides indoor in place of Dettol, because these microorganisms which are present in liquid organic solution culture can prohibit those multiplication, and foul smell, unhygienic condition and smell will be controlled. And in the villages, rural area, it will be very effective in the sense that they don't have purchasing power, and it is very difficult for them to afford the synthetic preparations like Dettol, Savlon, and so many other insecticides, pesticides. And this is almost free. They can prepare themselves, and every day they can use. The whole village will be hygienic. The crowded area, densely populated area will be more hygienic by the application of this liquid organic fertilizer. We call it solution, organic solution culture, and it will play a very important role. So these are all very important effective treatment of this organic solution culture, apart from fertilizer, in also our seed treatment, in hygienic condition for foul smells. So here the organic solution culture, that is liquid organic fertilizer, treatment on seeds and fall order. Number one, effect on seed germination. So it is having very positive and encouraging effect on seed germination. It controls disease, it controls time, it also is having plus financial matter to farmers. They are in gain, very little money is required. The seed treatment with liquid organic fertilizer is an advanced and latest technology. So this is the latest technology, and in advanced countries, especially in India, China, Japan, they are widely using this technology. And I am sorry to mention that the African countries are left behind. They have not yet started, especially in Nigeria also. They are still going for synthetic ones for seed treatment, and that involves the application of beneficial microorganisms on seed surface, followed by seed hydration. Seed treatment is an ecological management. It's a very clear ecological management to control seed and soil borne pathogens. So it's ecological balance, seed as well as whatever soil borne pathogens it will maintain. Number 2, seed treatment enhances the initial step of plant development by increased seed germination, and the growth of seed can be observed at least 3 to 4 days in advance over chemical fertilizer solution to treat the seeds. So once it is treated with this organic fertilizer solution, it will reduce 40 to 50% time, means the one which is germinated in 6-7 days can be germinated into 3 to 4 days. Number 3, according to Indian scientist Dr. Krishna Chandra, he is the leading scientist today in India, and he is the main scientist of one of the organic institute established in UP Ghaziabad near Delhi, and he is actually the in charge of or director of this project of organic fertilizer and organic farming. And according to his report in 2017, what reports he has got from the farmers who are using, now there are millions of Indian farmers, they are coordinating with Dr. That is Krishna Chandra, and that is the center's name is National Center of Organic Farming. It is a national center, it is a research institute, and they are coordinating, they are producing the liquid organic fertilizer culture that is called waste decomposer culture, and people are purchasing and they are multiplying the liquid solution culture that is called liquid organic fertilizer, and also they are, I have already given all the process. It is all done by this institute in India, and it has very, very positive report today. And according to him, 98% of seed germination is reported after sowing with organic fertilizer solution treatment. So the germination, which used to be sometimes 70-80%, it has gone to almost 98 or 100% once it is treated with that is organic solution culture. That is in commonly we call it liquid organic fertilizer, and also it controls the soil-borne diseases and also enhance the plant growth. It can protect from biotic stress, that is osmotic stress. Salinity stress means it can maintain the pH. If it is slightly acidic, it will convert into slightly neutral or alkaline. Chilling effect, and also the heat shock. So these are all reported by Dr. Krishna Chandra in his report in 2017, that the use of this culture, that is organic solution culture, or we call it organic liquid fertilizer, is very effective for organic farming. Number 4, progressive tool for Nigerian farmers, means those who are in villages, small town involved in agriculture, farming. Waste decomposer organic culture, that is organic solution culture, is most important tool. As a single bottle, very small packing of 30 gram, that single bottle culture, has the efficiency of converting 100,000 metric tons of bio-waste. As a result, it can be widely used across the Nigeria. And the new waste decomposer technology has great future momentum for converting waste materials into organic fertilizer. And I have not mentioned India here because in India already they are using widely, and in villages and towns they are getting the benefit of this waste decomposer culture, and they are multiplying in liters and they are using in their town and villages. Number 5, the cleanses toilets and reduce the foul odor. So it can clean your toilet, septic tanks, which are very common in villages, rural area, from its foul smell, from undesired, unhygienic condition, all these things. It is very important to mention that it has another characteristic of its very effectiveness in cleaning of toilet and reduction of the foul odor generated from toilet, septic tanks, especially in rural area. And this chemical property of organic liquid solution is very much useful in making villages and small towns in Nigeria clean in terms of foul, unhygienic odor. So it is very effective in the sense that in rural villages area, small town, generally the purchasing power, the income is very poor, and they cannot afford the synthetic Dettol's and other insecticide, pesticides, and this is free. They can prepare themselves just by multiplying. So in this way, it is very much effective from financial point of view. And one more thing, those who are interested, nowadays it is digital age, everything is online on Google Library. Go to Google and just type the National Organic Institute, that is organic fertilizer, National Institute, District Ghaziabad, New Delhi, India. So once you are reaching to the institute site, you will get lot of detail, and those who are interested to get the that culture bottle, very small packing, they can order and they can start here in Nigeria. And for starting, my advice is, especially in northern side, since I am in Maiduguri, Borno state, they can establish first one institute, and that institute they can give the name of the Institute of Organic Products or Natural Product, whatever they like, and then they can start one small course of 2-3 months to train the villagers and farmers across Nigeria to come and do the course. They can learn how to prepare their liquid fertilizer, it is organic liquid fertilizer, organic manure, organic bio-insecticide, pesticide, and cleaner. All these products they can produce, and people will be skilled, because nowadays it is creative skill, it is new technology that is required to be adopted and to learn. Go for creative and new technology. So Nigeria is totally virgin in this skill of organic farming, organic fertilizer, organic pesticides, and this waste decomposer culture is a very latest technology where they have isolated, they are manufacturing the culture. We can first get the culture from India, that is from National Organic Farming Institute, Ghaziabad, UP, India. Click, you will get detail, and then after getting that you multiply and you can start producing culture also. It's just isolation of the microorganisms from cow dung and other material and to multiply. That's all. And then to use for different purpose. So I wish that in Nigeria also they are going towards organic fertilizer, organic pesticides. With this, I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.